everyone, my name is Jason and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Joradix TV. Yes! And for today's video, I'm so excited again to react another requested Manipur song. Oh my goodness, your favorite Manipur song, guys. And yes, this Manipur music is requested by Sophia Toudam, and the title of this song is MOMONTA NOKCHABANI. And yes, the singer here are Hijam and Riyanka. Oh my goodness, that was so exciting again, guys, to hear the music or the voice of Hijam. And yes, the cast of this music, no other than Sushant and Bala, Hijam. Oh my goodness. More of my reaction of video, guys. The artist there is Sushant and Bala, Hijam. So I'm so familiar of these two artists here in this music. So before that, guys, make sure that you are subscribing my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction video here in my channel. So without further ado, let's get now and watch this video. So before that, I just want to thank the owner of this video, no other than Mami Taibang. Thank you so much for, for trusting me and for allowing me to react your different music, and of course to grant the request of my viewers. So thank you so much again, Mami Taibang. So let's start now, guys. Jaya Jaya Rahedhi. MOMONTA NOKCHABANI. Sorry, guys. Maybe he's Sushant. You know, guys, Sushant, he looks like a Korean artist. And of course, Bala, Hijam, my favorite artist. Oh. Oops! Wait! Sorry, I'm so excited. I thought he was going to kiss the lady. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Oh, there's different artists here. Sorry, guys. I'm so some of the story of music, guys. I'm so in love. Especially when Sushant and Bala, Hijam. There's a lot of music that they are so sweet, guys. both of them, guys. So sweet moment in the music. Like this, right? Look at that. Oh, I love to see that one. For those love to see like this moment, guys, watch now in my reaction of video. Oh, who is this other artist here? I didn't see her name. Oh my god, what kind of a background is you? Wow, I love to see the background, guys, behind them. Oh my goodness, just like a Hollywood film. I love it, guys. Very sweet. Wow. What kind of body this one? Ooh, I like you so much, Bala Hijam. He and you know she's not only a good artist, but you know she also a singer, guys. What letter that was? Behind you. Behind you. Wow. Oh, I love it. Very sweet moment, guys. Wow. Alright, guys, did you enjoy the music video? Not only enjoy, but you feel in love with your, what is your feeling right now? I know you are falling in love again. Oh my goodness. I'm so satisfied now to watch like this music video. Oh my god, I love it, guys. That was so amazing music video by the singer, by the cast here. Mostly perfect. Oh my god. Thank you so much for sharing us this kind of music. And I really, really love it, guys. So another reaction of video now, guys. I made it for you. I hope you like it and you enjoy it, guys. And I know some of you waiting for this kind of music, a very sweet moment, and I know some of these music have romantic scene, and I know that was the part of the story that you are waiting, guys. Also me, guys, that was I'm always waiting, guys, the romantic scene, how they how they give some you know, falling in love to the people who watching their music, guys, their music video. So wow, no doubt I'm so satisfied on this music. So thank you so much for sharing this music to us. Alright guys, if you like this music, please don't forget to like and share this to your families and friends, to your loved ones, alright? And give this a lot of a thumbs up as, you know, as support for this music. So, again, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell button for more latest update on my reaction video here in my channel, guys. Alright, so see you around, see you on my next reaction video. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. I love you so much, and God bless you. Bye.